Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Vara network token. Ticker symbol is VARA. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 31st, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find Vara's scan at vara.subscan.io. And there's all sorts of statistical information about there, about staked and bonded and finalized blocks and holders and transfers, inflation rates, token distribution, etc. And they have a Twitter. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen here as usual, at Vara Network. It says Vara is an ultra-fast layer 1 with parallel data processing designed for deep scalability to power the next generation of Web3 dApps. It says powered by @gear_tech. So if you go to their white paper is linked on their webpage, vara.network. If you go to their white paper, though, it basically takes you to the Gear white paper, which is whitepaper.gear.foundation. But within that white paper, there is a full section about the Vara network. So it says Vara Network is a revolutionary Web3 application platform supporting parallel data processing for deep scalability. Vara's unique architecture enables new design patterns and features with programs driving the next generation of Web3 dApps. Now, there is a total supply of 10 billion Vara tokens, and it was just announced that this token will be listed tomorrow, March 31st, at 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search VARA, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, going on today, the 30th, March 30th, a day prior to the listing, there is a Kickstarter event on Mexc Global where you can vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops. And there is a reward pool available of 6,976,744 Vara tokens. So check out the Kickstarter event today, and then check out the full listing on Mexc tomorrow. Now, the Vara network is a standalone layer 1 decentralized network built and running on top of the Gear protocol. The fast and scalable Vara network, which is non-fork upgradable, provides an optimal platform for next-gen gaming, financial-based applications, and various experimental features. Among others, Vara accommodates a wide range of modern use cases, making it an ideal environment for running diverse applications. Building on the Vara network suits developers already entrenched in Web3, as well as those transitioning from Web 2 in search of secure, efficient, and scalable platforms for developing their decentralized applications. Many next-generation applications, such as gaming and payments, demand a low-latency execution. The Vara standalone network offers a fast on-ramp for these applications, unlocking new potential and uses. Additionally, the Vara network presents low transaction costs for users and dApp creators. Now, the Vara network employs an inclusive and reliable nominated proof of stake (NPOS) mechanism to select validators for its consensus protocol. This mechanism selects validators based on their stakes and the funds nominated by other token holders running a node or supporting the network as a nominator is incentivized. This approach fosters a more democratic and decentralized process, reducing the risks of centralization where only the wealthiest entities could become validators. The vast majority of tokens are held by the community. Vara empowers its community to steer the network's evolution through its on-chain governance mechanism. To ensure decentralization, longevity, and flexibility, Vara adopts the widely accepted OpenGov framework as its native governance model, and this framework enables any Vara token holder to participate in Vara's decentralized governance, influencing future updates and modifications to the network. The primary features of the Vara network include fast, truly decentralized Layer 1, secure, efficient, and scalable environment for new features and optimizations, low transaction costs, a robust NPOS mechanism for a network security and decentralization, governance by community members and token holders, a stable and upgradable network facilitated by Substrate, a well-thought-out token economy that ensures a long-term sustainability of the network and benefits for its security. Now, the Vara token utility in crypto economics, 35% of the tokens, 35.5% of the tokens goes to the community, which is split up between developer, project grants, inflation, offsetting pool, airdrop, validators, incentive pools. And then 23% of the tokens go to the foundation, which is split up between PR, events, bootcamp programs, protocol reserve, education, foundation and ecosystem development, market makers and liquidity management, and protocol dev. And 21.5% of the tokens goes to the founders and team. And then, like I mentioned earlier, there is a total supply of 10 billion tokens. So check out the full link tree there. You see they have a pretty big following, 67,500 Twitter followers, gold verified check mark, and they just got this brand new big central exchange listing starting tomorrow on Mexc Global. So make sure you check that out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.